तो स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में आपको बताया था कि कोई भी प्रोग्रामिंग होती है तो उसके बेसिकली तीन पार्ट्स होते हैं, जिसमें जो फर्स्ट फेज़ होता है वो आपके इनपुट का होता है, और जो सेकंड फेज़ होता है वो आपके प्रोसेस का होता है। वो प्रोसेस होता है जिसमें कि आप कमांड्स देते हैं, जिसमें कि आप प्रोग्राम लिखते हैं, ये इसका प्रोसेस पार्ट होता है। और जब जो आपने इनपुट पार्ट लिया है उस इनपुट पार्ट पे जब प्रोसेस वर्क करता है, प्रोसेस का मतलब हो गया एक्शन ऑन द गिवन इनपुट। If whatever action is taken by the process part will produce the output. So in these three phases, your program work from input to output. So आगे चलते हैं। आगे ये है कि हम जो है इस टाइम पर आइडियली पे डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। आइडियली जो कि हम जानते हैं, इंटरनेट इंटीग्रेटेड डेवलपमेंट एनवायरनमेंट, सॉरी लर्निंग एनवायरनमेंट, इंटीग्रेटेड development learning environment. This is your uh, idea for programming in Python. This is the easiest platform where you will not find any flaw while creating any program, while running the program, and moreover you'll be able to configure this as per your choice. Means this an option or the tab options where you can change the layout of your IDLE. And apart from this, means apart from IDLE, we have another platform which is Collab. So here this is Collab. In Collab, if you see, this is the platform which is available online, and the best part of this collab is that you can write the program, you can run the program, and the plus point is, if you have any problem in the program code, and if you stuck somewhere, you can share that program with your peer group or your teacher as well. So here I'm going to take a new notebook. So this is the new notebook, and one thing you will notice here, that when you write any program in Collab, what happens in the case of Collab? This program, whichever program you create in Collab, it is stored in your Google Drive, because this platform is given by Google. So this icon CO means Collab. This indicates Collab, and this triangle indicates the Google Drive. And here you see the settings, and here you see the share button, where it tells you if you want to share this program with your friend, with your teacher, you can share it. So that way this program gets the collaboration with your friends, the collaboration with your teacher. And this is, 21st century learning skills, so this is called collaboration while writing any program. And if you stuck somewhere, your friends will assist you, or you can take the help of the teacher. And here you will have to give the name, and this name is given by the user or the student. So simply click here, say first program, say first. So I had just written I have just written first. It means the program name is first, and after dot or the period sign, you see there is a word IPYNP. I matlab your internet, PY matlab Python, and NB matlab notebook. Internet Python notebook. So whatever, whichever program you create, this is automatically saved in the cloud drive, or you can say the your Google Drive. And what happens in Google Drive, if folder is created with Collab notebook, so when you write the program will be stored in your Google Drive. For example, I'm taking one instance here, one program here, but before writing any program, we must know about these two tabs. Collab uh, consists of two tabs for programming. Number one is code, where you can write the program code, and the second tab is text, where you can write the text related to your program. So I think this is advisable that you use text tab first, so that you can give the reference to that code or your program. For example, if I click here plus, and so you see there is an editor, and it contains many of the tools which can format your text. For example, if I write, this is my first program in Python. For example, this is my statement I wanted to write or begin the program with this statement. And once your typing is over or completed, you simply press Shift and Enter key this way. So this title or the text shows that whatever you are going to write in the next cell, this is the definition. This is my first program in Python. And the next one is your cell where you can write your program code. And in right side, you see there's many tools. If you want to delete it, you delete it. And if you want to maximize or mirror cell, you can use this. If you want to apply setting, you can use gear. If you want to link, if you want to comment, you can use this Control Alt plus M. And if you want to link this program, then use link this cell with any other program or with any other text. So this way it works. I think this is very important or beautiful interface where you can write the program in Python. So I'm going to write a simple program. The simple program is the print statement. The print statement is what? Print where you want to print something on the console, that is on the screen. So I'll use the print statement here, print, and the string or the word, it should always be in quotes, single quotes or double quotes. So I am taking in single quotes. This is my first program in Python, and suppose my program statement is this. And if you want to go in the next line, simply press enter. Print hello world. So this is my first program. And if you want to run this code, it's a very simple to run this code. Either you press shift and enter key, or press this button, run cell. Control enter or shift enter, both will work, or you can press this button also. So if I click this button, it will start running. And in the first instance, it takes time, but in rest of the instances, it hardly takes time. So see here, this program when is executed, it gives the result like this is my first program in Python and hello world. So this is one interface, and the earlier interface was your Python ideally. So it depends which interface you like. So I must suggest that you should work on the Collab, and what I'll show you where where your program is stored in Drive. I'm just writing drive.google.com and see here Collab notebook. So if you double click it, you'll see the program. This was the program which you just created. Okay, so this is, I think, the best platform where you can create the program, and wherever you go, you don't have to, carry your laptop or carry your pen drive wherever you go. And if you find system and internet connection, just log in with your ID and you'll get your program in your Google Drive of that particular ID. So that's all in this video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye.